Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to Firebase Hosting step by step. So first of all, you need to just simply come here on this particular page. I will put the link of this article down in the description, or in your web browser, you can just simply search for this URL, which is firebase.google.com/docs hosting/custom domains. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you here on this particular page where you can know step by step how you can connect a custom domain. So over here, in order to start adding the custom domain, you need to first of all come here on your hostings page. There you need to look for the option that says add custom domain. After that, if you have more than one hosting, you are going to see the view tab first, and then in that view tab you will see the option of add custom domain. Now you need to enter the custom domain name that you would like to connect to your hosting website. After that, you can check the box to redirect all the requests on the custom domain to a second specified domain such as example.com, or they have given you the examples of the domain where it is going to redirect you. So on the next page, simply press continue to configure your DNS records and finish setting up your custom domain. Now, if you don't know how you can set up your custom domain, they have also given you this particular information here. In your domain provider's website, you need to go there and locate the DNS management page. After that, you need to add and save a new record with the following inputs. So for Firebase, you need to add the txt record. Then you need to add the host in which you need to enter your Apex domain key. Then you need to add the value information. So you need to copy the unique verification value into the field. And after adding all of these details, simply click on the option of verify. Now the verification process is going to take 24 hours. So after providing the DNS records, you just have to wait for 24 hours until your domain is connected to the Firebase hosting. And this way you will be able to basically connect a custom domain to Firebase hosting in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.